In this video, I'll show you how embeddings work using the Amazon Titan Embeddings G1 text model. Before we look at any code, let's quickly talk about what embeddings actually are. Embeddings turn text and images into numbers so AI can understand what they mean. Then AI compares those numbers to find which text or images are similar or related, even when the words or images are not exactly the same. So embeddings aren't about keyword matching, they're about meaning. For this video, the Amazon Bedrock model I'm using is Titan Embeddings G1 text. This model is specifically designed to represent text data as embeddings. Let's start with a quick demo so you can actually see what embeddings do. Before I run the script, let's talk about this part. I have a list of facts here. This is the first fact, humans first evolved in Africa. And this is the second fact, and this is the third fact, and so on. And I also have a single statement here. And the statement says, I like Danish desserts. So you'll see that when I run the script, the code compares my statement here to each fact up here and ranks them by similarity. Let's run the script. As you can see, this fact, Copenhagen is the capital of Denmark, comes out on top with a similarity score of 0.48. So my statement talks about desserts, and that fact talks about a capital city. But the model connects them through the shared meaning of Danish. That's the key idea here. Now let's change the statement and see how the rankings shift. I'll change the statement to I want to travel to Europe. I'll run the script again. And as you can see, the facts related to countries in Europe move higher in the list. Now let's change the statement to something completely different. Rainforests are disappearing too quickly. I'll run the script. This time, notice how the rankings shift away from Denmark and toward facts that feel more connected to the natural world, like Earth history, humans, and Brazil. Notice what's happening here? The list of facts never changes. The only thing I'm changing is the statement. And just by doing that, the model reorders the facts based on which meanings are closest to the new statement. That's embeddings in action. They capture meaning, not just matching the same words. Now let's connect that behavior back to the code. First, I send each fact and my statement to the Titan Embeddings model. Each fact becomes an embedding, which is just a long list of numbers that represents what that sentence means. My statement also becomes an embedding. Next, the code compares the statement embedding to each fact embedding using cosine similarity. This tells us how close their meanings are. Finally, the code sorts the results and prints the facts from the most related to least related. Understanding embeddings is the foundation for almost every modern AI application. They power semantic search, where results are based on meaning, not exact words, recommendation systems, like suggesting content, products, or answers, retrieval augmented generation, where models pull in the most relevant information before generating a response. If you understand embeddings, you understand how AI decides what's relevant. And once you have this concept down, you've unlocked the core of how AI actually thinks about data. And that's it. Now you know how embeddings turn text into meaning, how similarity is calculated using a similarity score, and how changing a single statement can completely reorder the result. You'll find the full code linked in my GitHub link below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.